Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem we're asked which of the following is equivalent to the sums of the expressions a squared minus 1 and a squared plus 1. So the sum means we're adding these. So we have a squared minus 1 plus a plus 1. And we don't have any negative signs here. We don't have any coefficients other than the invisible ones that we never write. So we don't have to do anything to these parentheses. Just erase the ones to make it more clear. We don't have to do anything to parentheses. We can just drop them and say a squared minus 1 plus a plus 1. In this expression, we now have to simplify to combine like terms. So we have a squared, well, that's the only term of its kind, plus a, okay? Then we have plus 1 minus 1. And these are the only like terms. They're both constants. So we just have a squared plus a, and then plus 1 minus 1, well, 1 minus 1 is 0, so this is plus 0. So you can technically write plus 0, but since that doesn't actually change the value, this is just equal to a squared plus a. Which of the following is equivalent to the sum? Well, a squared plus a lines up perfectly with a, which is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.